Honestly, Google. This might be the leakiest launch I've covered in my entire career covering consumer tech. As we get closer to the August 13th Google hardware launch date, it seems like there's a leak a day. So far, we know about most of the products, their specs, and how they look. The only thing we don't know for sure is pricing and speculation are all over the map. Today's leak involves the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the Pixel Watch 3 Google. Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Google, Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So, word on the street is that the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is going to be slimmer than the Samsung Galaxy X Fold 6. According to Android headlines, Google's upcoming foldable will be thinner than Samsung's smartphone. This isn't new territory for Google, as the 9 Pro Fold's predecessor was one of the thinnest foldables in the US. However, the 9 Pro Fold is looking to be even thinner, with a thickness of 0.41 inches, 10.5 millimeters, when folded, and 0.2 inches, 5.1 millimeters, unfolded. This could make it the thinnest foldable on the market when it launches. It'll also be one of the heavier ones. And if that wasn't enough leaks, Steve Hemmerstoffer, aka OnLeaks and 91 Mobiles, reports a set of leaked promotional photos. They show off the display size, a few AI features, and the phone's US pricing. Available in two configurations, the 256GB version of the smartphone will reportedly cost $1,799, while the 512GB model is set to be $1,919, both of which are pretty pricey options. Google Watch 3. After the Fold, there are still leaks and rumors circulating around the Pixel Watch 3. The most recent, which is also from Android headlines, claims that there will be two watches with slimmer bezels instead of just one. Also, the watch's screens are larger thanks to their smaller bezels. The rumor claims that the 41mm watch would have a 10% larger face than the previous model. It is said that Google is releasing a 45-minute watch in addition to the 41mm chronograph from the previous year. Additional enhancements to the quality of life include screens with 20% faster charging times than previous models and brighter screens. If the leaks are to be believed, both watches boast 24 hours of battery life, always-on display enabled. The endurance jumps to 36 hours in a new battery-saver mode. This leads to speculation that the watch won't utilize the Wear OS hybrid interface, which is supposed to increase battery life significantly. In the case of the OnePlus Watch 2, whose battery life will reportedly last 100 hours.